Hello again, YouTube. This is Nicole Lynn, Dragon Goddess. So anyway, this one of my favorite makeup brands, STYLENANDA 3CE, Korean brand, just had like free shipping for one day, so I took advantage of that. They had a new collection come out, like a neon collection, so like really bright colors. So I ordered 2 things from the neon collection and then 2 things from a collection I missed, but I got free shipping, and I was also able to save $7 on the order because I signed up and became a member. I'm so happy. It's funny because all these lipsticks are like such similar colors, and I'm one of those people that buy like 4 of the same color just to find the perfect shade. I'm not sure if other people are like this, but I am. So this is a makeup video for the OCD, the slightly OCD. I also forgot to mention, this package came in 2 days from Korea, and I was like, damn, yes! So this is what it looks like in the box. All bubble wrapped and secure and awesome. Alright, so this is the nice bubble wrapped bundle. I appreciate this a lot, really protecting the makeup. We have all had that time where you open up your makeup and there's a broken pan. No, unacceptable. Oh my god, now I'm gonna like break the makeup. Ooh, see, like I said, extremely similar colors, but I think one of them is a lip tint and one of them is a smoothing lip tint. These are not the neon collection. This is something else. Not really sure what collection this is. Super cute. Ooh, this is sick. Look at this in a neon bag. And this is the neon orange blush that I got. I've been trying to find a neon orange color. Hopefully it's not too orange, and hopefully if it is, there's a way to make it less than neon orange. There's always a way to make makeup look good. This one comes in a cool neon pink package. Cool. So I got 4 things. You know, when a brand cares about packaging and design, I totally buy it. It's just like they care about their products. You know, you can tell there's like love put into this. So the first thing I'm gonna try is the neon orange Stranger Lights. This is called like a multi-pot in the shade Cool Tan. I got it. Why isn't it focusing? And this is what it looks like. I mean, this is not what it looks like open. We gotta open it still. Neon orange. So right now I'm just like dipping my finger in. Yeah, definitely neon. Definitely neon. I'm gonna like put my fingers together like this, get on both fingers. Okay. So just like put it. I gotta blend this out. You just like dab like this. I could probably add more. Could probably add more. Just place it, and you could just blend it later. Yeah, I literally just like take my whole hand and like tap my face. Sometimes I put it on the tip of my nose. Okay, so far, as a cheek color, I don't think I'm too in love. Maybe lips will be different. So let's do that right now. And for lips, same thing. And just like dab it on. Definitely more of a lip color than a cheek color. And you can like totally customize this. So before I put this on my lips, I did a nude lip liner. Actually looks super good on lips. Definitely like this on the lips. Definitely like the perfect neon, like not too much. It's like really good fleshy orange. So this is what it looks like when I'm like closer into the light. I like it. So I'm taking a break from the neon products and I'm moving on to a velvet lip tint in the shade Staycation. Alright, so I think I have ordered velvet lip tints before from them and I love them. Every time before I apply lipstick, I do lip liner first and then I do chapstick. I put on like any chapstick because a lot of lipsticks, they're just not meant for hydration. A lot of them are matte. Velvet is kind of a matte. It's like a more comfortable, like creamy matte, I would say. The first time you open up that lipstick, it's so beautiful. It's not messy. So yeah, I put on a nude lip liner before doing this. Okay. So this is actually similar to the neon color that I just put on, except this is darker. As you can see, the formula's a little shinier. The pots are just like matte. What I like about Korean products are the colors. So this shade is like really salmon. It's like a healthy orange. So next, I'm gonna do the neon time. So this one is Stranger Lights. It's just like the neon edition name. And I just love looking at it. It feels like so neon. Oh, that's cute. Lazy Bay. Lazy Bay on the beach. It's gonna be me soon. I like how tiny this is. So this is not a liquid like dipping lipstick. It is a legit lipstick like this. It's a nice color. Yo. Wow, this is like super neon. I just like those lips that just look so like kissable and like juicy, not like dried out. Last but not least, yet another corally orange shade in the shade Rest Day. Love the packaging. So this is called a soothing lip tint. Let's see. And then like, this is like a Korean thing. You just put it on the inner of your lips. Make a nice gradient. Yeah, this one's pretty. These colors, man, there's something else. These are like This one's really pretty. I think I like this one the best. I think I like this one the best and the first neon one the best. I'm literally crazy. So that is all. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, and I keep getting lipstick on my tooth. So you can please like, comment, and subscribe only if you would like to. Thank you so much for watching.